Hi, Cynthia.
Hi, Ken. Welcome to our humble abode.
Thank you. Tell me about it. It looks different.
I mean, a little bit different. The town still wanted us to keep the door and the windows in the same location of what the house used to look like. That's about where it starts and stops with how it looks compared to how it used to look. Do you want to see inside?
I would love to.
Let's go. So,
oh, wow.
A little bit different?
A little different for sure. I do remember being in here at the beginning.
Yes, and there used to be stairs right here.
I see, yeah.
That led up to 2 small bedrooms right above this whole entire area. So those 2 windows at the very top of both sides was bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. This whole area is now treated as our dining space / boardroom for all of our clients.
I like the effect on the wall.
Yeah, it actually is pretty cool. So we use just matte black paint and then high gloss black paint on the trim work. And then I had a little bit of fun on my design program, and I just kind of played with where I wanted everything to go. And the contractors are like, all right, fine.
She's nuts.
All those lines. But it looks so good at the end, right?
Great. Yeah.
So this desk area is a love-hate project for mill workers.
Well, I love it.
Well, they hated us at first when they see all these dowels and the lighting and all that stuff, but then once it all goes in, they're like, dang, that looks good. And I'm like, yeah, I know, I told you.
Yeah. Awesome. So what is this material? That's really cool.
This is a wood molding product. They come about 8 inches wide.
Yeah.
Yep, this wide, and in different lengths. So we ordered them, I think, in 14 or 16 foot lengths for this, for our project here. And then they just kind of clip together, and we had it sprayed all out, so it creates this really nice texture. After it went up, the contractor called me and he was like, all right, we have a problem. I can't use your, slim Aria, or I guess they're Fits now, called Fits panel vents in here. We're gonna need to just create a box and slap on it. And so what we ended up doing is cutting slots into the actual grooves of the material where the vent is, so it still allows enough airflow, and it also looks cool. Nice. Yeah, right? I don't have a box sitting there. Yeah. I was like, if you say aluminum vent one more time, I'm gonna slap something. So our kitchen is not a huge kitchen, doesn't take up a big footprint, but it has all the necessities. I was very close to not picking this vibrant of a color on here because I started to second guess myself, thinking, a lot of different people are gonna come in here and they could be potential clients, and what if they don't like it? And luckily my team and everybody around me was very adamant that I just stick to my guns and do what I love, because that's what I encourage my clients to do, is choose things that they love. So why wouldn't I do the same thing? So here's our bathroom with all the naked ladies on the wall.
Wow, look at that.
It's technically a house. We have a 3-piece bathroom, so there's a full walk-in shower system. So this is our main workspace now. So here's our printer station. I had some leftover wallpaper actually from my own house. So we were able to utilize that. I love it. Even the floors, I mean, we're standing here and this is a really kind of good view of it. We did chevron wood look vinyl floors throughout the whole entire,
vinyl.
Yeah, it's vinyl. And then we have private offices, which eventually could be turned into bedrooms if need be, if the opportunity arises. And this is our workstation. Every time we have our meetings, so we have our projects are set up in phases, and at certain phases throughout the project where we're showing them the design concept, we will invite them here. Usually we have kind of all of their samples laid out. We figure it all out here, and then when we're presenting, we bring everything to the front. We have a lot at our fingertips here, and this all used to be in my house. So honestly, moving it out of my house and into a space feels like I can breathe a little bit at home, but it also makes it really organized for my whole entire team. What's really cool about this space as a layout space for us picking finishes as well is there's tons of natural lighting. So we have windows with natural light coming in from the side, the back. We even have skylights above with curtains. Everybody who comes in I think is really shocked at the transformation. The whole kind of snowball effect of everything that we kept kind of uncovering as we went along was Educational.
Well, I know it's
educational.
been a long haul for you, but it's
Yes.
definitely worth it. Place looks fabulous.
Yeah, thank you. We're very happy with it. Now when people walk in, they think there should be a lake or something in the backyard because it looks like a Muskoka cottage or something like
Well, that's
that.
your next project.
Yeah, we'll work on that later.